The next portion of the orientation program is your Plan for Success. The Plan for Success is a web-based system through which you can check your student information, plan courses for your current and future semesters, see what requirements you have, see what holes you may have that could keep you from registering for classes, and check transfer credit from other institutions. The Plan for Success is part of Georgia Perimeter College's Student Information System, also known as SIS. SIS can be accessed from any computer with a browser and an internet connection at sis.gpc.edu. You will learn more about SIS, including how to register for classes and pay tuition online in the technology session of orientation coming up next. There are a few things you will need to get started with SIS. First, you will need your GPC ID number, also called your 900 number. If you don't know this number, it is printed on your orientation ticket for your convenience. You will also need your personal identification number for SIS, also known as your PIN. By default, your PIN is your birthday in month, day, year format. For example, if you were born on March 9, 1990, your PIN would be 030990. The first time you log into SIS, it will ask you to change your PIN. Please do us all a favor and pick a PIN that you will easily remember. You will also have to answer a secret question such as, who is your favorite cartoon character when you first log in? In case you forget your PIN, you will need to answer this question before you can get a new PIN assigned. Finally, you should have a copy of your program of study sheet on hand to guide you toward which classes will fit into your program of study. We have program of study sheets available here, and again, you can find your program of study online at gpc.edu. If this is your first semester, you should begin with your required core courses in areas A through E. You can also pull up a PDF file of your program of study, but be kind to the environment and don't print it out. You can leave it up and refer to it while you are in SIS. Let's take a look at the Plan for Success and go to sis.gpc.edu and log in with the GPC ID and PIN. The first screen gives you some important reminders. Click Continue at the bottom and go to the next screen, which will ask you to verify your address. Verify it and click Yes to continue to the main menu. At the main menu, click on the Registration tab, and at the bottom, you will find a link to the Plan for Success. Select the term in question from the drop-down box and click Submit. The next screen is the Plan for Success screen. This student, Joe's student's record, is now displayed. At the top left is Joe's student information. To the right are any required pre-college courses. In Joe's case, the words in bold show that he will have to register for Learning Support Math 97 this semester before he can register for any other coursework. He will also have to register for Math 98 next semester after he successfully completes Math 97. For what other courses may Joe register? By clicking on the provided link, a PDF will appear with a table telling Joe what other courses he may take. Since he requires Learning Support Math, he will follow this arrow that tells him he can take any classes in this box. There are quite a few courses Joe could choose here, from humanities to social sciences. He could take biology or even this Survey of Business Enterprise course. Joe would have to remember to register for his required learning support course before he could register for any of these courses. Below student information are other outstanding requirements. In this case, it shows he has to satisfy the state graduation requirement for understanding U.S. and Georgia history, as well as the U.S. and Georgia Constitution. These requirements will automatically be satisfied when Joe successfully completes required coursework in U.S. history and political science. Below the requirement information is a suggested course load for students who work. If Joe works less than 10 hours per week, he may be safe taking up to 15 hours of coursework. If Joe works 10 to 20 hours per week, then no more than 9 hours of coursework are recommended, and so on. Of course, these are just suggestions. Joe knows himself better and should be the judge of what Joe can do. You may also see a message like this, indicating a hold on your registration, meaning that we want a chance to give you some advisement before you go ahead, or that we may need something from you. It could also be a learning support advisement hold or a new student advisement hold, which should come off by the end of your orientation program. Scrolling down, you'll find the plan for success. Joe can refer to his plan of study sheet and fill out what courses he plans to take this semester. There are 2 important points to remember. The plan for success does not register you for classes. It is simply a place for you to plan your coursework for this and subsequent semesters. You will learn how to use SIS to actually register for courses and pay tuition and fees later. Also, if you have placed into 2 or more learning support and/or ESL classes, you will need to register on campus with the assistance of a GPC representative. Thank you for your attention. We hope the Plan for Success is a useful tool as you plan for your success.